kids, today we are studying general knowledge. Flower power, page number 67. So, write the names of countries with their national flowers. First, sunflower. The answer for the sunflower is Ukraine. Next, second number, lavender. The answer for lavender is Portugal. Next, blue poppy. The answer for blue poppy is Bhutan. Next, jasmine. The answer for jasmine is Pakistan. Next, five number, lily of the valley. The answer of lily of the valley is Finland. Next, sixth number, golden world. The answer for golden world is Australia. 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 Next, seventh number, very easy, lotus. The answer for lotus is India. Our national flower is lotus. All of you know that. Lotus is our national flower. Next, 8 number, iris. The answer for iris is France. So thank you kids for studying with me and staying till the end. Bye bye. Like, subscribe, share to your friends. Bye bye.